I'm Jason Karp with Revere Home Loans. I'm also known as the Home Loan Wizard, creating mortgage magic on your hard-to-approve files. And during our meeting on June 6th, you'll learn many things that you may not have known and can help you get more qualified buyers, including how to get a forgivable grant for the 3.5% down payment. There's no second lien. It's basically free money. How to get certain kind of bridge loans for your buyers that make it so that they don't have to include that payment or their house payment and the departure residence into their debt to income ratio. We'll talk about how buyers can borrow money for 100% of the down payment without needing the down payment assistance program. Did you know that adult children can buy a primary residence home for their aging parents that can't qualify themselves, and they can do so without their parents being on title? Or that a parent can buy a home for their disabled child in the same way. We'll discuss some tips to help sellers as well. Did you know that sellers' concessions can be used to pay off debts for veterans to help them qualify to buy that house? And which temporary buy-down program is possible or makes sense to offer to buyers? We'll also discuss helpful what-to-dos. For example, when your home inspection comes back and your buyer wants certain fixes, well, what and how do those affect lending? When does it make sense to do an escrow holdback? How to avoid leaving seller concessions on the table? Why is it so hard to nail down closing cost estimates in the beginning? We'll even throw in helpful tools and tips for self-promotion and marketing. How to guarantee your client leaves a review on your Google page or social media. And the keys to creating promotional videos that stand out and above your competition. Class attendees will get a temporary buy-down calculator to help them determine if and which buy-down is right for promoting their listings. A seller's concessions cheat sheet that outlines the percentages and what's available for which programs. A free promotional video for their next listing provided by Scanlon Films. Assistance in creating a professional video that introduces you to your prospective clients. And a professional video that helps buyers understand the buying and lending process. These videos will help you stand out from your competition. And you can find, if you want, an example of the kind of professional quality that Scanlon Films produces. You can click on the link to my video, which you'll see on the page. Look forward to having you in class.
Awesome, man. I heard at least 20, probably more things on there that would be great, like Facebook Reels for agents. Everything you off on that would be a great post for the agents to come to your class, to learn, and then to share. So super excited for that. So thanks for listing it off that way. That should get some intrigue. So if you're watching this video, wherever it might be on social media, or if somebody emailed it to you, just give you a taste of what Jason's going to be talking about when he comes in on June 6th. There's going to be a link on this page somewhere for you to register. And we hope you can come in person. We're here at my office. This is where it's going to be presented. We will also put it on Zoom, but if you can come in person, much better. We're going to have lunch. We're going to be able to network and kind of visit afterwards and stuff. So we hope you can make it on June 6th. Find the link and register, and hope to see you then. Thanks, Jason.
Hey, thank you, Jeff.